Look up at the night sky. What you are seeing is just a tiny fraction of a universe so massive it's beyond human comprehension. Scientists estimate there are at least 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Within our own Milky Way galaxy alone, there are over 100 billion stars, and billions of them are just like our Sun. Now think about this. Mathematically, many of these stars must have planets orbiting them that look exactly like Earth. Oceans, atmospheres, and the perfect conditions to spark life. If even a tiny percentage of these planets developed advanced civilizations, the galaxy should be crawling with aliens. There should be alien starships flying across the cosmos, massive structures blocking out starlight, and radio signals buzzing through space. If the universe has been around for 13.8 billion years, advanced alien life had plenty of time to explore every single corner of the galaxy. But when we turn our most powerful telescopes toward the stars, and when NASA listens to the deep cosmos, we find absolutely nothing. No radio signals, no alien structures, no signs of life, just a cold, dead, and terrifying silence. This is what scientists call the Fermi Paradox. Named after the famous physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked a simple yet chilling question: where is everybody? Are we looking in the wrong places? Are they using technology we can't even imagine? Or is there a dark, hidden reason why the universe is completely quiet? Get ready, because what you are about to discover next changes everything. Welcome to Space Wonders. To solve the mystery of this terrifying silence, scientists proposed a chilling concept known as the Great Filter. Imagine a giant, invisible evolutionary wall that every civilization in the universe eventually hits. A barrier so incredibly difficult to cross that almost no life survives past it. Think of it as a cosmic checklist for life to evolve. Step 1, organic molecules must form. Step 2, complex single-celled life must develop. Step 3, intelligent life must emerge, build technology, and eventually reach for the stars. Somewhere along this timeline, there is a massive roadblock: the Great Filter. It could be a natural disaster, like a nearby supernova wiping out an entire planet, or a planetary ice age that freezes all life. Or even worse, the filter might be self-inflicted. Once a civilization gets smart enough to invent nuclear weapons, hyper-advanced artificial intelligence, or biological plagues, they might end up destroying themselves before they ever leave their home planet. This leaves humanity with a mind-bending question: where exactly are we on this timeline? Have we already passed the Great Filter? Are we the lucky 1 in a trillion civilization that survived the impossible? If so, the galaxy is ours to explore, but there is a much darker alternative. What if the Great Filter is still ahead of us? What if every civilization in the cosmos naturally destroys itself right around the level of technology we have today? If that's true, our own countdown has already begun. But as scary as the Great Filter sounds, there is an even more terrifying explanation for why space is completely quiet. And it turns out the universe might not be empty at all, it might just be hiding. If the Great Filter isn't what's keeping the universe quiet, then the truth might be far more terrifying. This brings us to a concept called the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a massive pitch-black forest at night. In this forest, every advanced civilization is like a heavily armed hunter, stepping silently through the trees. The hunter must be incredibly careful because he knows the forest is full of other hidden dangers. If he detects another living creature, whether it's a small animal or another hunter, there is only one logical thing to do to survive: eliminate it before it eliminates you. In a dark forest, showing yourself or making a sound is a death sentence. Now apply this to the cosmos. Alien civilizations might not be dead. They might be highly advanced, listening to the stars just like we do. But unlike humanity, they are smart enough to keep completely quiet. They know that if they broadcast radio signals into deep space, they will instantly reveal their location to a much older, far more dangerous predator lurking in the dark. For decades, humanity has been doing the exact opposite. We have been blasting radio and television signals into the universe, screaming our location to anyone who might be listening. We even sent Voyager spacecraft carrying maps directly back to Earth. If the dark forest theory is correct, we haven't found aliens because they are all terrified and hiding. And by making so much noise, we might have just invited an cosmic predator straight to our doorstep. But wait, what if a signal has already reached us and we missed it? In August 1977, scientists working with the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio detected something that shocked the scientific world. Out of the silent cosmic background, a radio signal burst to life. It lasted for exactly 72 seconds, and it was incredibly strong, coming from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. When astronomer Jerry Amon saw the data printout, he was so stunned by how perfectly artificial the signal looked that he circled it in red ink and wrote one single word: "Wow." For decades, NASA and scientists around the globe have tried to find that signal again. They pointed telescopes back to the exact same spot thousands of times, but the sky has remained completely dead. The WOW signal never returned. Was it a passing alien starship broadcasting its location, or was it a cosmic warning? Today, humanity is entering a new era of space exploration. With telescopes like James Webb and upcoming NASA missions, we are searching the atmospheres of distant planets for biosignatures. We are closer than ever to answering the ultimate question, but as the legendary science fiction writer Arthur C. Clarke once said, two possibilities exist. Either we are alone in the universe or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. If we are alone, the weight of the cosmos rests on our shoulders. If we are not, we must pray that whoever is out there in the dark is friendly. What do you think? Are aliens purposely hiding from us? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Space Wonders for more cosmic mysteries.